Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. If you've just completed your O levels, you're probably selecting subjects for your A levels. Here are three things that you should know if you are considering A level math as a subject. Number one, your career path. If you want to do a degree in engineering or pursue data science or do something in economics, A level math is the way to go. If you don't do A level maths right now, you will have to do some amount of maths later on at university. It's best to be prepared right now. Number two, look at your university requirements. Some universities specifically have maths as a requirement for the degrees. For example, if you pick up engineering degrees, they will certainly have a math and physics requirement. Make sure you know what universities you're aiming for and what the requirements are. Number three, your interest and strength in math. I can't emphasize that enough that you will find maths challenging if you don't enjoy maths right now. If you don't like O level maths and you're struggling with O level maths, then A level maths will be a disaster. It's best to play on your strengths and pick up a subject that you like and you enjoy. Hope this video is useful for you. Make sure you select the right subjects that align with your career goals and your university requirements and your strengths as well.